2% that look terrible as decimals. What is 66 2/3% of 72? And what is 87.5% of 96? No long multiplying. Each one is a friendly fraction. Can you find it? Pause the video. Find both percents in your head. Here is a hint. Which fraction is each percent? Then divide, then multiply. Here is the move. Picture 72 as one bar. Look, 66 2/3% is just 2/3. Rewrite. 2/3 means divide by 3, then take 2. Compute. Carve the bar into 3 equal slices. Each slice is 72 divided by 3. That is 24. Take 2 of those slices. 2 24s is 48. The third slice is the 1/3 left over. Check. 2/3 is past half, so 48 beats 36. The plain method agrees. Now eighths. 87.5% is 7/8. Look at the fraction. Rewrite. Divide by 8, then take 7. Compute. Carve 96 into 8 equal slices. Each slice is 96 divided by 8. That is 12. Take 7 of them. 7 12s is 84. One slice, the last eighth, is left over. Check. 7/8 is almost the whole, so 84 is just under 96. Now reuse the scale move. 6 2/3% is 2/3 divided by 10. That is 4.8. 133 1/3% is the whole plus 1/3. That is 96. And 87.5% is the whole minus 1/8. That is 84 again. The plain method agrees. Now it is your turn. Find the fraction, divide, then multiply. Beat the clock, then watch the carve. This is the divide then multiply rule. If a percent is a friendly fraction, in thirds, sixths, or eighths, divide n by the bottom, then multiply by the top. Look for a decimal ugly percent on a base divisible by 3, 6, or 8. Every percent is built from the 7 anchors. Carve the slices off a bar. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.